Molly, guess what? What? Your baby sisters are born! Yay! I'm so excited! Me too, I agree with Leah. That's right! Bought them at CVS today. And these are the new Baby Alive Sunshine Love Babies. I got the brunette one, which was the unicorn, and I got the blonde one, which was the dinosaur. Let's open them. This is what the girls look like out of the box. This one is Leah's baby sister. The other is Molly's baby sister. So, I don't know what to name those babies. So, comment down below what to name the babies. The accessory it came with is a towel and some sunglasses. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.